What's up guys, welcome back to my channel again. On today's video we will be filling an order on Etsy. So today order we are going to apply a private label on my product, and I will show you how I do that. Okay, this is a private label product. Let's go and do it. So when you go to the order section, you will see there is one order over here. Let's click here. $22. Okay, the price is the same and the height will be 1 centimeter. Yeah, and it's going to United States, Ohio. Okay, I check everything looks fine over here, and there is a custom duty here. The customer usually pay for that one when they receive the item. So what I do on this page is I just go and click review your purchase section here, and it's going by Canada Post. So Canada Post will charge me $10.65 for this order, which my customer paid for it already. So this one is not free shipping, so I will purchase that one. Once you purchase it, this will pop up over here. It will ask you to print your shipping label, also to print the invoice. So let's go ahead and print the shipping sticker at the label. So this is the order. So it looks like it is done now. So it looks like this. The end material looks like this. So this is good to go now. It has everything. So what we do is now we just pack it. We fold it nicely. We fold it nicely. We put this one the other side. We fold this nicely like this. I will pack it nicely on this paper. And I have a gift for this person. So I'm gonna add a gift. This is a lip scrub. Just a little treat for the person. So I will pack it and like this. And I will add a thank you sticker from my company. This is a small business. So thank you. And finally we will insert it in this package. We'll try to make it large enough. Okay. And we will add the invoice inside. So this is the invoice that I printed. As you see over here, I draw an arrow. It's just because the person who bought this, he bought it for a friend, and it has a message on the invoice. So I just want the person will read this part. That's why I draw like that. So we folded this nicely and we put it in the package. And it's good to go. And we close it. Okay. Now we will apply our shipping label sticker. It looks like this. I printed from my Dymo printer. So we're just gonna stick this one here. And it looks like this. So it's good to go. I will just go to Canada Post and drop this one, and I have more orders from my online, so I will be doing all that and I will drop them off. So this is it. Thank you for watching.